Nightlife goes with cheering glass. Pulse tap time as my morning passes. You come skidding when I step through the door. Tell a tornado eyes burning like coal. We clip the leash and hit the concrete beat. No dark clouds here, just you and me. Every puddle's a chance to make a splash. Every squirrel sparks a brand new dash. No plans, no clocks, no need to rush. Just your warm nose and my quiet hush. Your wagon wanders side by side. Your goofy grin, my endless pride. Chasing sunsets, chasing fun. You're my favorite kind of one. We curl up tight. You steal my sock and spark a pillow fight. We build a fort from blankets threadbare and old. Your wet kisses turn my cold to gold. Every treat's a tiny celebration. Every nap's a sweet vacation. No words needed, we just know. Your wagon tail tells all I need to show. Screams loud and wrong. You curl up close and make it strong. No judgments, no demands, just love. The kind that fits like a well-worn glove. Wagon wanders side by side. Your goofy grin, my endless pride. Chasing dreams, chasing sun. You're my favorite kind of one. Sun dips low, we head back home. You're tired